Welcome to our IE Academy project. We will be taking a look at function transformations today. They occur every time a graph of a function is shifted horizontally, left or right, vertically, up or down, is reflected over the y and x axis, is vertically or horizontally stretched or shrunk. First off, let's consider the generic model of a function. F of x is equal to a times f of b times x plus c plus d. The d represents all vertical shifts that a function may undertake, depending whether the value is positive or negative. This is illustrated through f of x plus d. If d is greater than 0, then the graph is translated d units upwards. However, if d is less than 0, then the graph is translated d units downwards. The horizontal shift is seen through f of x plus c, where c represents all horizontal shifts to the right and to the left, depending on the value of c. If c is greater than 0, then the graph is translated c units to the left. However, if c is less than 0, then the graph is translated c units to the right. In this case, the rationale is counterintuitive. Remember that we do the opposite of what is stated within the brackets. The next transformation considered is the reflection over the x and y axis seen for the sign values of a and b, positive or negative. If a is negative in negative a times f of x, then the graph is reflected over the x-axis, where every point above the x-axis will be reflected to below the x-axis. If b is negative in f times negative b of x, then the graph is reflected over the y-axis, meaning that every point to the right of y-axis will be reflected to the opposite side.
The last transformation considered are vertical and horizontal stretch and shrink. The vertical stretch is observed when y values of f of x are multiplied by a factor of a in a f of x. If a is greater than 1, then values of f of x are moved further away from the x-axis. If a is between 0 and 1, then the y values of f of x are multiplied by a reciprocal of a and are moved closer to the x-axis. Horizontal shrink is considered when x values of f of x are multiplied by b or a reciprocal of b in f of b of x. If b is greater than 1, then values of f of x are moved closer to the y-axis. If b is between 0 and 1, then x values of f of x are multiplied by a reciprocal of b and are moved further away from the y-axis.
Hopelessly, I feel like there might be something that I'll miss. Hopelessly, I feel like the window closes so quick.
Consider the following example for practical purposes: 2 minus 1 over x plus 2 squared. Using the knowledge from previous theoretical rules, let's first graph the basic function 1 over x squared. The first transformation performed is a horizontal shift seen in 1 over x plus 2 squared 2 units to the left. Next, observe that the value of 1 over x plus 2 squared is negative, implying that the value of a is negative 1. Thus, a reflection over the x-axis has to be performed. Lastly, a vertical shift 2 units upwards is seen through the addition of 2 to negative 1 over x plus 2 squared.
Thanks for watching!